Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at a very simple ClickBank strategy. So if you're understanding or looking for affiliate marketing and trying to make your first $100 per month, your second $100 per month, your third $100 per month, whatever it is, I am here to share with you guys the skill sets that's going to help you get started. It's a very simple strategy that I'm going to share with you. Yes, it does cost. It's not an absolutely free strategy, but with this course, you will be able to actually learn, and course, I mean this YouTube video, you will actually be able to learn the skill sets that are important for you to keep on building and scaling up in the long term. So make sure that you do check this out. And I'm sure if you apply this strategy at the end of this video, in a month, in 2 months, in 3 months, it's not going to happen overnight, but you will start to see this momentum being built. I'm going to share with you my personal results as well following the strategy, and you can look and see whether it is makes sense for you or not. So let me hop onto my computer and share with you guys a little bit more. Okay guys, here I am on my screen, and let's get into it because I think this strategy is one of the most simplest strategies related to ClickBank out there. Now I know that there are tons of videos related to ClickBank on YouTube, so I want to get into the course. But before I go ahead, I just want to share a little bit about myself. I do have a full-time job. I work with affiliate marketing on the side, and I followed this specific strategy that you see on screen. There is a logic behind it. The reason why I created it is simply because I didn't want to spend too much time with free advertising. So I really literally focus on paid advertising, but you can take the strategies and the information that I'm sharing on this and also apply it to free methods so that you can start to generate in step two. So the way the strategy works is there are two steps. The first one is all about cash flow, and the second one is specifically building an email list and a funnel and everything else, which are skill sets that are needed for the long term if you want to sustain this. But in today's video, what I'm going to cover is specifically related to step one. Okay, so it's specifically related to that. We're gonna show you how to start to generate commissions, because one of the things that I found, even me as when I started, is how do I start to generate this momentum with affiliate marketing? Maybe I do not have enough the right funds to invest and stuff like that. So how do I get started with getting these conversions? So that's what I want to share with you. I post weekly on this channel, actually every 3 days a week on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you do subscribe. If you're coming back to the channel, welcome back to the channel. And I want to make sure that you have everything that you need to be able to, after this video, take action. Okay, so whether it is, I hope this training helps you. If you, all the information that you see on this channel is absolutely for free, first and foremost. Everything that I share with you here, I'm personally putting into practice myself. I will never teach you guys things that I'm not personally doing. So you can actually have a do your due diligence and make a decision whether it makes sense for you or not. So let's go ahead and share it. There are three elements, actually two main elements, that we're going to be focusing on within this strategy. Affiliate marketing, guys, just to give you an understanding, is about two things. It's knowing how to advertise and then knowing how to convert that advertising into sale. Be authentic. The way I work with it, and I will show you guys in a second, the way I work with it is that I only promote products that I personally have tested, tried, used, or own myself personally before I share it with anybody else. That is the only way that I function. Now with ClickBank, that can be a little bit tricky because I know a lot of people don't use the offers, but I would suggest always buy into the offers, see how it is before getting and sharing it with somebody else. It's just a more ethical way to do it, in my opinion. So what is ClickBank? ClickBank, first and foremost, we're going to be using this as an affiliate network. It is an e-commerce platform, an affiliate marketplace that has different offers, services, products, physical, digital, everything that you can actually share with other people, and then you will be able to get either a commission once or a recurring commission. So this can become a passive stream of income over time. I want to make sure and clear that you understand that the results that you're going to see in this video are not typical. These are my results, first and foremost. I also will say that the mindset is very, very important here. It's not going to happen overnight. This is not a get rich quick. We're actually building the pillars for a long-term sustainable business. So if that's something that's interesting for you, great. If not, that's fine. So let's go ahead and, log into my ClickBank because I want to show you guys some results first. Okay, guys, I'm logged into my account. So, and as you can see, since the beginning of this year, since January of this year, I basically earned my first $100 using ClickBank. I'm doing this strategy. It's not the main platform that I personally use, just to let you guys know, understand. I personally use Warrior Plus as my main platform, my main affiliate network. And I'll just show you what that looks like so that you guys can see very clearly that this strategy works and is, applicable for you as well. Give me a second. I need to put a code. Sorry, guys, it always happens this way if I'm using another account. It tends to happen. Just give me a second. Okay, guys, I'm logged into to my Warrior Plus, and just to show you very clearly the strategy that I'm doing, you can see the results in the last few days, in the last 30 days, in the last 7 days, yesterday, today, how much I've earned from this strategy. So it is continuously earning for me. Let me just go to sales report so that you guys can see, maybe from March 2023, so that you can see it entire year that it is converting for me. It's something that's giving me, generating me commissions every single day, sorry, every single month. And if I just show you right here, you'll see exactly how much. Last month was 500. Also the previous month before that, the month of December, was less, but overall $4,254 have been earned with this specific strategy. Okay, so it is a very simple strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you. It's basically a platform that we're going to be using. As I said, advertising is the most important one, right? So you can do this with free advertising, but if you do it with free advertising, I would say focus on step 2. Don't focus on the step 1. The way that we're going to be working with step 1 is simple. The way that step 1 is just put together, how simple the strategy works is that we're leveraging a platform that generates or gives us leads. It's called My Legion Secrets. It gives us 100 leads every day. So now we're taking away the time and the effort to actually generate these leads, because we're getting it. We're paying for it, but we're getting these leads. Now, these leads are co-registration leads. It basically means that they're leads that, give me a second, guys. I'm going to put on the light because I can see how dark it is on my screen. Okay, guys, that's much, much better. Let me go ahead and share with you. As I said, My Legion Secrets gives you 100 to 200 leads every day. Co-registration leads that are people who don't know you, but that are agreeing to receive marketing emails basically from you. So this is where the second skill set comes into place, which is copy or email marketing. That helps us convert these leads into sales. So that's personally what we're doing. We're not going out there to find these leads and then get them onto a platform where we can email them. We already have it on a platform where we can email them, and we're going to be using that whole source to be able to do this. Okay, so My Legion Secrets is the first thing that you need to have. As I said, it's focused on advertising. If you didn't have this, then you would go straight to the second step right here, as you can see. And the where traffic is written is basically advertising. So you can have your Facebook, your YouTube, your Instagram, whatever free methods that you have. Maybe you want to start a blog. Then I would send it basically to another kind of format, which is basically creating a funnel. You can do that for free also. I'll share with you in a second. And then you can have it eventually that it converts to Clickbank sales as well. This is 100% a possibility, and it is doable. And you do it with any niche, any platform, any service. It is 100% possible. But I want to cover what we're talking about right here, how simple this strategy is and how I'm using it. So the basic strategy right here is that I come to My Legion Secrets every day. I send out an email because it's an email platform. It's giving me email leads, and it's giving me a service that I can send out every single day, 24 hours, once every 24 hours. I can send out an email to these leads, the entire list. So it grows over time. In the first day, you have 100. Second day, you have 200. At the end of the month, you have 3,000. At the end of the second month, you have 6,000. At the end of the third month, you have 9,000. So it accumulates over time, and now you're sending it to more and more people. So it's not always the same. They're fresh leads every day. This is the important thing and the cool thing to have, right? So we are spending $30 every single month. It costs you $60 the first month, and then $30 to maintain. So you have $30 every single month. That's your cost. And you're basically now going to Clickbank, looking for an offer. And this is personally how I'm doing it. You go to the affiliate marketplace. First and foremost, join My Legion Secrets if you have the budget for it. If you don't have the budget for it, that's absolutely fine. But if you do have the budget for it, join My Legion Secrets. Then go to Clickbank. It's absolutely for free to join Clickbank. Go to affiliate marketing place, and in the affiliate marketplace, what we're going to be looking at is only this category right here, which is e-business and e-marketing. Why I'm saying that is the co-registration leads that you get from My Legion Secrets, and this is one mindset that I really want to dig in so that you understand it. It's always good to know your audience, know your leads. So let's say that you are promoting and you have leads that are interested in health. Then I'm not going to send them a make money online opportunity. I'm going to send them a health opportunity right there. a health product or service that I can get a commission on, whether it's a supplement or whatever. The same goes for these leads right here. These leads are interested in e-business and e-marketing. Okay, that's all that they're interested in. So this is the niche that we want to be focused on. We click on it and you'll get basically the order of the top selling product based on the gravity score that they have. So the top performing and converting product is going to be on top. So we can take the first one if you want, or you can choose whichever one you want at the end of the day. It's really up to you, but all of these first few ones work. I've got the most conversions with live chat jobs. That's just me personally. Okay. This is a recurring offer as well. It's an offer that you pay a trial, I think, of $1. And then 3 days later, the person is billed for the month and you get a commission of around $18 and something, if I'm not mistaken, on average. If I can show you guys the results, but that's on average of what you're getting. And if they continue and everything else, or they upgrade and everything else, you'll get a high commission. But at the end of the day, this is the average conversion rate. As you can see right here, is $44. So it's even more if you send a lot of traffic. So the good thing is that it is a recurring payment. So that being said, this is the offer, let's say, that you want to use. Or you can go to specifically affiliate marketing and see the best offer with affiliate marketing. Or you can go to article marketing, banners, blogs, whichever makes most sense to you. All of these are completely possible with My Legion Secrets. But as I said, the highest conversion one is live chat jobs. So I'm just using that as an example. You need to simply do this. It's very easy to do. You basically go to promote. You have to click your username, obviously your affiliate name, and then you add a tracking ID. So in this case, let's say that I want to add My Legion Secret. So you write MLGS and let's say the date that you are doing it. So say 15th of March or whenever, right? 15th March, just to give you guys an idea. It will go to this landing page. If you want to preview it, you can see it. Basically, this is the video that's going to go to, and then they have to fill out this quiz. It's a very interesting way this marketing strategy, or the way that this whole option is done. And it goes to, you could put create a hop link, and it basically creates your unique affiliate link. And this is a link that's important for you. Now you can obviously change this ending to, every day that you're sending out an email, you can change it so that you're tracking the email, and it's super important to track your email. So as I said, you have My Legion Secrets, you send out an email every day, you use Clickbank offer to then to send out that email. Now, the kind of emails that we want to write in My Legion Secrets are specifically should be more to build a relationship with them. If you want training on this, on exactly how it is, I have a whole My Legion Secret playlist, which I'll link in the description of this video. You can go through the training. It has different strategies, possibilities, and so on related to it. But basically, you come to My Legion Secrets, you write out an email, and let me just log in. It's not like I don't have an account, right? So let me log into My Legion Secrets and show you. Okay, guys, I'm just in My Legion Secrets, so you understand basically this is what you're going to get when you join My Legion Secrets. You will have all your leads right here. You can see that I have all my leads since the day I started, basically, which is March 6, 2023. All of these, I first had 100 every single day, and now I have, I think so, about 70,000, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, around 70,000 leads. Let me just go to mass mailing system so you can see. Yeah, 73,500 leads is what I have personally. And so that is, it accumulates over time. And I can send to these leads every day. That's the beauty of it. You basically need to come to mailing system every day, select the leads, go and write a subject. So this is one thing that you can do. And then you can write an email right here. Now, what I would suggest, I'm going to load maybe an email for you guys so that you can see. I have this email right here, has certain elements in place. First and foremost, it's formatted, everything, as you guys can see right here. It ends. It's not a long format that it goes till the end, right? So this is just a simple way of showing you how the formatting makes absolute sense to have. Then having call to actions, which is basically a click here now or get started now, a softer call to action maybe on the top, and a more harder call to action in the end. It's really up to you. But the way I write my emails is basically focusing on talking about myself, making sure that also I'm building a relationship with the leads. It is in my own style of speaking. And at the same time, I can now offer the product or service as a solution to the problem that they have. And also another way you can write in these kind of emails is going to the sales page of the offer. So let's say you go to this page right here, or you go to the, let's just exit this for a second. Let's say you go to the affiliate page right here, and you can take elements from the sales page itself, right? So let's say you want to understand not the landing page, but let's say you want to see the sales page. Yeah, let's see the landing page. This is the landing page. So you can take some information from here. You can take some information from the email swipes. You can take there's a lot over here. So you can take a lot of information that's available right here and then use it to write those emails. You can leverage ChatGPT if you want, but that's also another option. Once you make sales with those emails, save those emails that you have made sales, because what you can do is use that as a main content creator for more kinds of similar emails that you know are going to convert because you've already made a sale with that, and you keep using those. So that's how you scale it up. But you basically go to My Legion Secrets, send out an email, send it directly to the sales offer, because the logic behind the way I'm looking at this, and it works for me because you guys can see sales that are all coming from My Legion Secrets, by the way. The way that it works for me is, or the way that I think about it, is that this leads that are coming in is like your email autoresponder. You don't have to collect them. They are there. You have access to them. So there's no need to send them to a landing page and that they have to submit their email information and so on and so forth. You send them to the sales page. That's the most important thing that is needed. That's it. That is the simple strategy that I recommend. You can already start, you can already try, and let me know how it's going to work for you. The way to improve it, the way to get more sales, there are many case studies on YouTube that you can watch for free. There's John McLaughlin, for example. You can go and look at his videos. He does a case study every single day. He's been doing it for a long time, and you can see it all available for him. But this is the easiest strategy if you want to get started with Clickbank, in my opinion. Otherwise, you can do it the traditional way, as I said, in step 2, where you are using advertising sources like Facebook, YouTube, any kind of free advertising source. Let's say you're building a community, and you send it to a landing page that goes to a bridge page. A landing page basically collects the email. A bridge page explains a little bit about the product or service that they're going to be buying or getting, and then you send them to the sales page. Never ever, if you're doing it the second way, never ever send them directly to sales page. It's a waste of your time and money. Always send them to a landing page so you collect their email, because when they're on your email list, now you can start to email them the same offer or other offers in the future as well. So that's an asset that is very important. So if you're doing the second step, it's absolutely fine, but make sure that you do it. If you want to build this entire sales process absolutely for free, what you can see in the description of this video, there's a section on like resources and tools. The tool that I personally use is system.io, and you can build an absolutely free funnel. You can see that it's absolutely free to join. You can have 2,000 contacts, potentially $2,000 you can make just doing this, following the strategy. You can have recurring options. You're building an email list. You can have 3 sales funnels. It's a powerful tool to have. So check it out, see if it makes sense for you. But this is the simple strategy. If you want to know exactly how I'm doing it, where I'm generating $500 every single month with this strategy, then the course is in the description of this video as well. It's really up to you. I hope the information though that you've got in this video, you can take, you can action. Remember, one advertising source. In my case, in the way I'm looking at it, is spending $30 every single month and getting My Legion Secrets. Using Clickbank absolutely for free. Send your sales page in an email to the leads. That's it. Get a sale. And then after that, you can take that income that you're earning with Clickbank and you can start to build this whole entire sales step 2 if you want. But initially, this step starts to get your Clickbank earnings, starts to get everything flowing for you. You get a taste of what is, but if you want to always scale up, remember that it takes skill set. It's taking time. It's not going to happen overnight, but this strategy does convert. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video on Monday.